Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Introduction to Public Speaking. Lecture 3. Audience Analysis and Adaptation. Understanding the audience demographics is crucial for effective communication. Consider age, gender, education, occupation, and culture. Demographics can influence interests, values, and communications. In conclusion, audience analysis and adaptation are vital components of effective communication. By thoroughly understanding the characteristics, needs, and preferences of your audience, you can tailor your message to resonate with them and achieve your communication goals more successfully. Through careful analysis, you can gather insights into factors such as demographics, values, beliefs, and communication styles, enabling you to craft messages that are relevant, relatable, and persuasive. Analyzing audience needs and expectations. Analyze your audience's needs to tailor your message to their interests. Consider what the audience already knows and what they need. To learn, determine the audience's expectations regarding the topic and the presentation. In conclusion, analyzing audience needs and expectations is a crucial step in effective communication. By understanding the specific requirements, interests, and concerns of your audience, you can tailor your message to meet their expectations and address their needs more effectively. This process allows you to create content that is relevant, engaging, and valuable to your audience, leading to improved communication outcomes. Adapting content and delivery for different audiences. Use appropriate language and terminology for your audience. Use examples and visuals that are relevant to the audience. Adjust the tone and pace of your delivery based on the audience's communication style. In conclusion, adapting content and delivery for different audiences is a crucial aspect of effective communication. By tailoring your message to suit the specific characteristics, preferences, and needs of diverse audiences, you can maximize the impact of your communication and achieve better outcomes. Building rapport and connecting with the audience. Establish a connection with the audience from the beginning of the presentation. Use eye contact, smiling, and positive body language to build rapport. Use humor and personal anecdotes to engage the audience. In conclusion, building rapport and connecting with the audience is essential for effective communication. Establishing a strong connection enhances trust, engagement, and receptiveness to your message, ultimately leading to more successful communication outcomes. Understanding the audience demographics. Age. Different age groups have different communication preferences and may respond differently to humor and visuals. Gender. Gender can influence communication style and interests. Education. Consider the audience's level of education to determine the appropriate language and level of detail. In conclusion, understanding the audience demographics is a fundamental aspect of effective communication. By gathering and analyzing demographic information such as age, gender, education level, occupation, and cultural background, you can tailor your message to resonate with your audience more effectively. Understanding audience demographics provides valuable insights into their characteristics, interests, and needs. Analyzing audience needs and expectations. What does the audience want to learn from the presentation? What questions might the audience have? What are the audience's main concerns or challenges related to the topic? In conclusion, analyzing audience needs and expectations is a critical step in successful communication. By gaining a thorough understanding of what your audience requires and desires, you can tailor your message to effectively address their concerns and interests. This process allows you to create content that is relevant, engaging, and valuable to your audience, leading to more impactful communication outcomes. Adapting content and delivery for different audiences. Use simple language and avoid technical jargon if the audience is not familiar with the topic. Use visuals to help explain complex ideas. Adjust the pace of your delivery to match the audience's level of understanding. In conclusion, adapting content and delivery for different audiences is a key factor in effective communication. By tailoring your message to the specific characteristics, preferences, and needs of diverse audiences, you can enhance the impact and engagement of your communication. Building rapport and connecting with the audience. Use the audience's name if possible to personalize the presentation. Use stories and anecdotes that the audience can relate to. Use active listening to show that you value the audience's input. In conclusion, building rapport and connecting with the audience is a vital component of effective communication. Establishing a genuine connection fosters trust, engagement, and receptiveness to your message, leading to more successful communication outcomes.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.